In this video, I'll show you how to install Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11. This will be a quick and easy tutorial, so make sure to follow along carefully. And before we get started, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps a lot. If your computer can't connect to Wi-Fi, it's often because the Wi-Fi drivers are missing or outdated. To fix this, the first thing you should do is connect your laptop or PC directly to your router using a LAN cable. This will give you temporary internet access so you can download the drivers you need. Once you're connected, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type network connections. When you see View Network Connections, open it. A new window will appear showing all your available adapters. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. It may have Wi-Fi or wireless in its name. Then right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click the Configure button. At the top, select the Driver tab, then click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows look for the latest version online. If it finds one, it'll download and install it automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC and your Wi-Fi should be working again. If Windows can't find a driver, don't worry. You can manually download it from your manufacturer's website. To do that, note the name of your Wi-Fi adapter from the same driver tab. For example, it might say something like Intel Wireless Adapter or Killer Wi-Fi 6. Open a browser and search for that name along with driver download. Visit the official manufacturer's website, download the latest driver for Windows 11, and install it on your PC. If your PC doesn't have internet access at all, you can use another computer to download the driver. Once it's downloaded, copy it to a USB drive or external hard drive, plug it into your computer, and run the installer from there. After installation, restart your system and you should be able to connect to Wi-Fi normally. And that's how you can install Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11. Hopefully, this helped you get your internet connection back up and running. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.